Vendors, if you've got a wristband and you're working today, I can let you in now. Vendors. Yeah, my hearing's bad too. So. 9 a.m.? 9 a.m.? 9 a.m.? 9 a.m.?
Welcome to LA Fleet Week. Today we are jumping on the official shuttle bus tour to show you exactly how to get between the massive main expo and the outer harbor here in San Pedro. If you're planning your visit or just want to see the incredible scale of these naval ships, this is your ultimate look at the entire LA waterfront layout. Let's get into it!
MPs especially, yeah, MPs especially, and you know anybody with long guard downtime, maybe not mechanics so much, but you know it just depends on their circumstances. Are they just chilling around a base, or are they on a deployment, or you know in some cases you know they're stuck on a ship and there is no instructor available. So on the other hand, if they are stuck on a ship, there is no instructor available, and they're full out to train. Exactly. For nothing else but passing the time. And there's an instructor and everything, so much better. Oh yeah, exactly. Because that's like, you know, as Daniel told us, a lot of his fellow Marines on the ship just sit and read, play cards, gamble, you know, they're also behave. Yeah, it's too bad. Like we were saying, you know, he doesn't really use his time wisely the night before, and then he got yeah, it's too bad that Daniel didn't really use his time wisely. But he made a good go. I mean, he could have taken a punt too. That's practically every club test. Yeah, and he took that means, I mean, logically, if he got 100 credits, because remember, the club unit goes anywhere from 1 to 5 to I think 3. I can't remember what this, I want to say 4. But yeah, I mean, he literally took all those club tests. So good. Yeah, I mean, so Friday, yeah, that means he had to have taken all the history clubs. He probably took all of the math clubs. He likely took some science clubs and even some language clubs. Yeah. Did he speak Spanish? He speaks a little bit. Yeah, he speaks enough to just kind of know, because he said he grew up in Northern California, right? Yeah. He said he was kind of weird, like he walked on his on the balls of his feet. Yeah, did you hear what once? Not like so fast. He did like a lot of thankfully most was able to see it. It was one of the interviews. It's okay, yes, you're right. He was most likely right. Elementary teachers weren't even teachers, they were students. Got jobs. Yeah, math was kind of stuff, and these teachers didn't even want you at that school anyway, so yeah, basically just get rid of them any way you can. And you know what it means. And you may have to do both. 这里排队排4个小时，还得排上车。Like and track those. And pointing out that like he would eventually, like once he realized that it's incredibly exciting, and he'll be like, wow, this is going. That's our uniform is clear. You know, just finish like pointing out different uniform designations. Even the flight line. I mean, even flight line crew members, you'd be like, wow, these people are yellow jackets, and those people are blue.
That's right. Each one symbolizes a different one. That was the color of that. That color of that.
I think yellow is supposed to be a flight line. Like, whoever the air boss is, I can't remember the